Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Mortgages that are scheduled to go up. What advice do you have for people with adjustable rate mortgages that are scheduled to go up, or for people who have mortgages that have already gone up?
My advice is to, take action. That's what you have to do. You have to take action and get the facts. There are options that are available, depending upon what your situation is. You might be behind, and we can use the FHA Secure Mortgage. If you're behind on your mortgage, we can use that program. Or there's other options. Sometimes the best thing is for you to be talking to the bank you have your mortgage with, because based upon your circumstances, it really wouldn't make sense for you to refinance. Or maybe you can't refinance. Maybe you got this loan with no documentation, and now there's not as many programs available that fit your needs. The key is to get the facts and call us at 718-380-0006. Because the good news is we have helped a lot of people. We have helped a lot of people who have the 228s or the 327s and the 3-1 arms and the option arms, which is really probably the most onerous of all of them. We've helped so many people be able to not only get rid of that mortgage, but also look at the entire picture, their entire financial picture, and show them the benefits maybe of doing some debt consolidation, and ask them, do you have a need for cash? Do you want to do home improvements? What's your situation? And they say, well, maybe I could use $20,000, let's say, and we show them what the payments are going to be. And then sometimes they say, well, what's $50,000? And we had so many success stories that show that not only can you lower your monthly payments, not only can you get a fixed rate, but you can also consolidate your debts. So you have no credit card debt. You walk out of the closing with no credit card debt. Can you imagine that? No credit card debt. And money in your pocket, $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 in your pocket, and your payments actually go down. Your total monthly payments actually go down. It happens here every day at First Republic. You must get the facts. I don't care what your situation is. If you're a homeowner today, you have options. You're a homeowner, if you own your house, especially 3 years and more, you have options. There's so many of you out there, millions of you, millions and millions and millions. The silent majority is what I like to say, because nobody's talking about you. People who are struggling and making their payments every single month, they're only talking about people who are in foreclosure, only bad news. So I'm reaching out, and I do this often, to the silent majority. We use the catchphrase, house rich, cash poor. And it's not to be negative. The idea is that a lot of people maybe have very little money in the bank. They're living almost paycheck to paycheck, and yet they might have, more than $30,000 in credit card debt. And they're struggling. They're struggling. The rates are high. It's not deductible, and they're struggling to make their payments. And sometimes we've found people, yes, to this day, still have 8% mortgages and 7.5% mortgages. We've been able to lower their rate as low as 5.5% with our FHA and conventional specials. So I want you to make the call to get the facts. That's really what my advice is, because so many people, they don't want to deal with it. The letters come, they don't want to deal with it. Certified mail comes, they don't want to deal with it. And sticking your head in the sand is not going to make the problem go away. So you got to get what the facts are. And if you call 718-380-0006, we'd be glad to be able to go over your situation and be able to tell you what your options are. And we'll be honest with you. If your best option is to call the bank you have the mortgage with and negotiate a deal or a forbearance agreement, we'll tell you to do that. And you may want to have an attorney to help you with that. That's up to you. But we help so many people to be able to take care of not just the adjustable mortgage, but their entire financial scenario and set themselves up and their families for the future. And it's not taking a second job. It's just a matter of rearranging your finances with good debt replacing bad debt. And it's really a lifesaver for so many people who are now saving money every single month instead of living paycheck to paycheck. So if you are listening right now and you heard me talk about this over and over and over, but you never called, do it now. Do it now. 718-380-0006. That's 718-380-0006. You call, the loan officer would be glad to take the time. They're able to tell you which program you can use. They're able to tell you exactly what your rate would be. We can lock it in over the phone, and they'll also tell you all the expenses, which, remember, can be financed. Yes, it can be financed. So what does that mean? That means that you don't have to pay any cash out of pocket because you can finance all the costs, and that's how you can get these really incredibly low rates that have a huge impact on your financial future. Start saving money. Stop wasting money. It's time for you to have more money in the bank. And you know what? Just get the facts. That's the bottom line. You may find out, like I said, that we can't do it. We don't advise you to refinance at this time. You can't benefit. But there's so many of you, millions in this listening area, who would be able to be helped by refinancing, but you're not taking the simple action to initiate the process, which is to get the facts. And you can start here at 718-380-0006 and, ask questions everywhere. But remember, we'll give you the facts here at First Republic. We will even can lock you in over the telephone. I mean, what more could you ask for? 718-380-0006, because everything sucks when you got no bucks. I'm saying that, facetiously, and everything is funny when we're saving money with First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Put a smile on your face just by finding out how much money you can save by calling right now, 718-380-0006, because it only takes one call to put that smile on your face. It only takes one call to get you on the path to financial freedom without credit card debt. You make that call, and we truly will do it all. First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.